हमारे साथ हैं फॉर्मर स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के एथलेटिक्स कोच रमेश शर्मा जी, जो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से हैं और अपनी रिटायरमेंट के बाद पूरा वक्त दे रहे हैं जम्मू कश्मीर में बच्चों को तैयार करने में एथलेटिक्स में। और कुछ उन्होंने हमसे शेयर किया कि अब जो टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स हैं या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को लेके वो कुछ हमें ब्रीफ करना चाहते हैं।
As it is, we know that the sports itself has become very scientific now, and the latest trends of the sports is something entirely different from what we are standing here as a layman here. We want that in order to compete with high performances and the national and international level of scenarios, we got to go along with the changes in infrastructure, the equipments, and the grooming up of the athlete. And that platform we need. It is not that just for the layman, when we prepare a ground, we don't need the grounds here. We need a well-leveled track, and that should be synthetic, or it should be of nature, what is being provided at the national and international level to get to the top level. No doubt, in the present presently, the children, they have excelled so nicely, and to their best they have given, and it is not one. Now, earlier we used to be only one or two running 400 meters in 50 seconds and below. Now it is, I think so, every child, he is running to that level. But we are needing the platform. We need the progress. We need to exposures. We got to get them, and the coaches should be given that opportunity so that they also go along when they got to train from here to the other climate.
Mm-hmm. In terms of infrastructure, if we compare with other northern Indian states, where we stand in Jammu and Kashmir?
I think so. We are far better than so many people. Without anything at our disposal, we are trying to combat, and we are bringing in results. That is it. And I am trying to reach each and nook and corner of the J&K state to explore the talent and to explore them and to give exposure to them.
Mm-hmm. Considering the topography of the state, the terrain of the state, and the toughness of the youth, how do you rate Jammu and Kashmir with other states in terms of results if we were able to get the proper infrastructure?
I think so. We will be fighting, and we will be coming to that level of your Kerala and other states. Those who are far behind, what you think, we'll be running parallel to them. Mm-hmm. Somewhere.
Athletics means both field and track events. What about the field events? There are so many field events that where India is excelling at the international level. What about Jammu and Kashmir? How the athletes are doing in Jammu and Kashmir with regard to these track events, field events?
We are training the field events also, and people have done in the earlier past also that they were training here, but because of the shortage of equipments and the type of training equipments, we could not teach them here, and they are still training outside the state. And I think so when it is here, I think so we'll be training and we'll be getting the results.
Are you hopeful of better times ahead as and when the Jammu and Kashmir University of Jammu will be able to get athletics, a synthetic athletics track and allied facilities over there?
I think so. I am hopeful. When we are pressing the government, the association, the Olympic Association, the federation of this place, they are pressing together, and people are also getting, they are also coming to and understanding the things. And I think so when we press the government, I think so they will be doing.
Mr. Sharma, most of the people who get retired once, they sit at home, sit back at home. They just don't pursue or use their talent, but you are still going to the ground as regular as when you were there in the service. What inspires you? What forced you to do this?
The retirement is itself is an abuse to the person who is retiring. I don't want to be retired. I'll be retiring when I'll be on the deathbed and I'll be in the graveyard. Mm-hmm. And till that, I am live, I am present, but the profession has been changed. I should say like that. I was active, I am still active, and I will be more active till death.
Mr. Ramesh Sharma was talking to Sportsline. Thank you very much for this great information.
Thank you very much.